Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back to another English speaking practice. If you can speak English in the afternoon, you can speak English almost anywhere because the afternoon is the busiest part of the day. You're working, you're studying, you're shopping, you're talking to people, you're making phone calls, you're solving problems, and you're communicating all the time. Today, we're going to practice real-life afternoon English. Don't worry if you're a beginner. We'll start with simple sentences. Then, we'll slowly move to intermediate English. Remember, don't just listen. Speak with me. Repeat every sentence twice. The more you repeat, the more confident you become. Take a deep breath, smile, and let's begin. Part 1, greeting people in the afternoon. Imagine it's 1 p.m. You meet your friend. Repeat after me. Good afternoon. Again, good afternoon. Excellent. How are you today? Again, how are you today? Very good. I'm doing well. Again, I'm doing well. Excellent. How has your day been? Again, how has your day been? Great. My day is going well. Again, my day is going well. Perfect. It's nice to see you. Again, it's nice to see you. Wonderful. I hope you're having a great afternoon. Again, I hope you're having a great afternoon. Excellent. What have you been doing today? Again, what have you been doing today? Very good. I've been busy all day. Again, I've been busy all day. Fantastic. Let's have a good afternoon. Again, let's have a good afternoon. Amazing. Part 2, talking about your afternoon. Now imagine someone asks, what are you doing this afternoon? Let's answer confidently. I'm working this afternoon. Again, I'm working this afternoon. Excellent. I'm studying English. Again, I'm studying English. Great. I'm finishing my homework. Again, I'm finishing my homework. Very good. I'm cleaning my room. Again, I'm cleaning my room. Excellent. I'm visiting my grandparents. Again, I'm visiting my grandparents. Perfect. I'm meeting my friend. Again, I'm meeting my friend. Wonderful. I'm reading a book. Again, I'm reading a book. Excellent. I'm taking a short break. Again, I'm taking a short break. Great. I'm relaxing for a while. Again, I'm relaxing for a while. Fantastic. I'm learning something new today. Again, I'm learning something new today. Excellent. Part 3, after lunch conversation. Now imagine you just finished lunch. Let's practice. I'm full. Again, I'm full. Excellent. Lunch was delicious. Again, lunch was delicious. Very good. What did you eat? Again, what did you eat? Great. I had rice and vegetables. Again, I had rice and vegetables. Excellent. I had chicken for lunch. Again, I had chicken for lunch. Perfect. I enjoyed my meal. Again, I enjoyed my meal. Wonderful. Would you like some water? Again, would you like some water? Excellent. Thank you, I'm fine. Again, thank you, I'm fine. Great. Let's get back to work. Again, let's get back to work. Fantastic. I feel energetic now. Again, I feel energetic now. Amazing. Part 4, office and workplace English. Now let's imagine you're at work. Repeat after me. I'm back from lunch. Again, I'm back from lunch. Excellent. Let's continue our work. Again, let's continue our work. Great. I'm working on an important project. Again, I'm working on an important project. Very good. Could you help me, please? Again, could you help me, please? Excellent. I'm almost finished. Again, I'm almost finished. Perfect. Let's discuss this later. Again, let's discuss this later. Wonderful. I'll send you the report. Again, I'll send you the report. Excellent. Please give me a few minutes. Again, please give me a few minutes. Great. Everything is under control. Again, everything is under control. Fantastic. Let's finish this today. Again, let's finish this today. Excellent. Part 5, School and College English. If you're a student, these sentences are for you. Repeat after me. My next class starts soon. Again, my next class starts soon. Excellent. I have an assignment to complete. Again, I have an assignment to complete. Great. Let's study together. Again, let's study together. Very good. Did you finish your homework? Again, did you finish your homework? Excellent. The teacher explained it clearly. Again, the teacher explained it clearly. Perfect. I understand this lesson now. Again, I understand this lesson now. Wonderful. Can you explain this question? Again, can you explain this question? Excellent. I need more practice. Again, I need more practice. Great. I'm improving every day. Again, I'm improving every day. Fantastic. Part 6, Beginner Conversation Practice. Let's have a conversation. Listen carefully, then repeat. Good afternoon. Again, good afternoon. Good afternoon. How are you? Again, good afternoon. How are you? I'm doing well. How about you? Again, I'm doing well. How about you? I'm great. What are you doing this afternoon? Again, I'm great. What are you doing this afternoon? I'm studying English. Again, I'm studying English. That sounds great. Again, that sounds great. Would you like some coffee? Again, would you like some coffee? Yes, please. Again, yes, please. Thank you very much. Again, thank you very much. You're welcome. Again, you're welcome. Excellent. You just had a complete conversation in English. Part 7, Intermediate Afternoon Expressions. Now let's level up. These expressions are common in daily conversations. Repeat confidently. I've had a productive afternoon. Again, I've had a productive afternoon. Excellent. I'm trying to stay focused. Again, I'm trying to stay focused. Great. Things are going according to plan. Again, things are going according to plan. Very good. I'm catching up on my work. Again, I'm catching up on my work. Excellent. I'm making good progress. Again, I'm making good progress. Wonderful. I'll get back to you shortly. Again, I'll get back to you shortly. Excellent. I'm looking forward to the evening. Again, I'm looking forward to the evening. Great. Let's make the most of today. Again, let's make the most of today. Fantastic. I'm grateful for another beautiful afternoon. Again, I'm grateful for another beautiful afternoon. Amazing. Excellent work. Today you practice greetings, daily conversations, office English, school English, lunch conversations, and your first intermediate expressions. Remember, don't rush. Speak slowly, speak clearly, and repeat these sentences every afternoon. Even 10 minutes of daily practice can completely transform your English. Take a short break and get ready, because in part 2, we'll practice shopping conversations, phone calls, home routines, visiting friends, family discussions, restaurant English, and many more real-life afternoon conversations. I'll see you there. Let's keep speaking English.